And Couturier carries on. Sean Couturier, through center with some speed. Off of the right wing, Simmons. Simmons, this shot wide. Launches all the way out to Matt Reed. Reed to the point. That shot by Schultz. Save. Rebound! And it was denied by Lack in tight. Flyers move over to near Giroux. Comes to a stop. Shovels it toward the slot. It goes all the way to Brayden Schenn. Schenn giving all kinds of room. Steps in front. Save. Rebound! Lack got it again.
I'm definitely turning in to hear what he says.
There's a battle in the corner to the right of Neuvirth. Eric Staal gets it back. Ron Hainsey is shot, gloved by Neuvirth, and he'll hang on again. Smith went down, and so the first power play of the game belongs to the Hurricanes. Staal having trouble with the bouncing puck, but got it to Rask. Down low, Staal back to Rask. Shot and a big save by Neuvirth. Flashed the leg out. As he goes in, on Lack. One-on-one. Save made by Lack. Schenn going to the backhand, and the goaltender shut him down.
Outweights Brayden Schenn here, and you have to get that upstairs if you're going to beat the goaltender with that move.
He might have had it anyhow, Jonesy. The glove was covering the top of that pad, but
along the boards, Belmar winning the battle and getting the puck out to center ice. And now Reed carries on. Delzato joining. Reed to Delzato! Save made by Lack.
Block from Luke Schenn, and then they're able to clear the puck and get everybody off the ice.
One last push for the Canes with the power play. Pesce around behind. Nash behind the net. Schultz cuts out of it, hits the referee. Bounce in front, save Neuvirth. Up of Nash. First, Giroux moves in. Cross ice Schenn. Leading to the corner. Pesce on him now. They work the puck free to Giroux. Giroux back to Gostisbehere for the shot. Batted away. And then it went off the post. He heads to the slot. Giroux directing traffic with one hand now. Holds. Waits. Cross ice for it. Check. In front. They score! Brayden Schenn went to the net. It deflects in. The drought over for the Flyers. They're finally on the board. A power play goal. 1-0 Philadelphia. Back the other way. Couturier jumps on it. 2-on-1 for the Flyers. Couturier and Giroux. Couturier with the puck. Couturier the shot. Save. Rebound Giroux. He scores!
pick it off.
There's a drop pass. Giroux steals. He's then knocked down. Giroux the shot. Save made by Lack. We'll see if this is a penalty shot. Delayed call first though. Vandevelde gets it to Giroux across for Gudas. The shot saved by Lack. Another shot. Glove saved by Lack. Further by Rask. Spun around by Delzato, but still has the puck. Eric Staal. Delzato had to let him go. Back out to Falk. The cross. Lyles a shot. Save. Rebound. They score. Rask able to get away from Raffl and bang home the rebound. This is a one-goal hockey game. It is 2-1.
Is there to pick up the rebound. There's the kick save by Neuvirth, and the rebound goes right to the stick of Victor Rask, but a nice screen in front from Eric Staal.
Yeah, good job by Lyles too, Jonesy, to change the position of that shot. And really, really good here. And you're right about Staal. He comes across.
Bounced out to Pesce. Around behind the net. Dangerous here. They try to get it in front. Skinner denied at the side of the net by Giroux. And now move from the wall by Skinner. He gets it in front. Save. Neuvirth. Rebound. Another stop. In the net. Taken to the wall by Luke Schenn. Brayden Schenn trying to get the puck. So is Malone. Malone back out. Pesce. Pesce a shot. Save. Neuvirth. Rebound. Sitting there in front and missing the net. Missing the net was Hainsey, and now the Flyers back the other way is Giroux. Beating the Rangers back a month ago tomorrow. Here's Hainsey, a shot, save, rebound, they scored! Pesce, the defenseman in deep, hammering home the rebound, and this game is tied at 2. Canes are back to the puck, moving it ahead. Schultz could not cut it off. Getting past him is Skinner. To the backhand, save, Neuvirth, rebound out in front, and Versteeg was there. And Giroux and Rask will duel, and Giroux wins it cleanly back to Luke Schenn, and he'll hang on to it when the horn sounds. Simmons sets up right in front. Betty Lack. Giroux. For Gostisbehere. He scores!